That's unreal.
Yeah, I still didn't open it up, man. Like if the road was a little wider.
Mm-hmm.
It's coming back. It's coming back. Daisy! How did dinner? Oh, you got the remote?
Yep.
Oh.
Come over here, guys. Stand in the grass. Get in the grass, okay?
Because if it hits you, it'll hurt you.
It's gonna hurt real bad, and your parents be mad at you.
Oh, what? There's a car. That car's gonna chase it.
That car tried to chase this, they going to jail. Let them go ahead, bye.
It's a spy car. Whoa. Daisy! We gotta look like
Don't touch. Ain't over here. Don't touch.
Daisy! Daisy, come on!
And you see how long it's been now, Sean? It's been about, let me see. When I first started up, man, about 20 minutes, 30 minutes now.
Yeah, and it's still running strong.
Stand over here in the grass, okay? Stand over here. Yeah, I didn't open it back up. That was half throttle right there. Kid you not.
Well, it's still rolling, I'll tell you.
Yeah. There's the front end.
Dude, look, watch this, watch this. I want to race it. Can I race with the car?
No.
You'll fall on this pavement and get hurt.
Yeah, don't do that.
Whoa.
Can I race against the car?
Yeah. That car, you can't even beat that car. That car's fast.
There ain't any cars in this parking lot that can beat that car.
What if one of those cars was trying to chase it and the car was under there? It's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back.
It's so fast I can't even keep up with it sometimes.
Where's Daisy? He had to see this. Oh, wheelies. Batmobile. It's the Batmobile. No, it's not. That's the Batmobile. Here comes the Batmobile.
I gotta check my motor. I'm sure it's hot right now. Yeah. Yeah, with this, with the heat, you can turn it off.